Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Reinforcement Learning, Deep Q Networks and Policy Gradients. Imagine teaching a dog a trick. You reward it when it does it right, and it learns. Reinforcement learning is similar. We teach AI agents, like our virtual dog, to make good decisions by rewarding them for success and penalizing mistakes in a virtual environment. Think of a DQN as a brain for our AI agent. It uses a neural network, like a super complex decision-making flowchart, to learn. It tries different actions, remembers which actions lead to rewards, like points in a game, and gradually gets better at making decisions. The Q stands for quality of an action. A DQN learns through trial and error. It explores different options, sees the results, rewards or penalties, and updates its internal flowchart, neural network, to choose better actions next time. It's like learning to ride a bike, lots of falls, but eventually, you get it. Instead of learning from mistakes, like DQNs, policy gradients directly learn the best actions to take. Imagine a GPS. It doesn't try every possible route. It uses a map, its policy, to find the optimal path directly. This approach can be very efficient. Policy gradients directly adjust the AI agent's strategy. It's like fine-tuning a car engine, making small changes to improve its performance. Rather than learning through many mistakes, we gradually improve the policy strategy to maximize rewards. Both DQNs and policy gradients help AI learn, but they use different methods. DQNs learn through trial and error, while policy gradients directly optimize the strategy. The best choice depends on the specific problem you're solving. These techniques power self-driving cars, navigation, robotics, manipulation, and game playing. AI opponents. The ability to learn and adapt makes these algorithms incredibly powerful. We'll cover simple coding examples in future videos to show you how easy it is to build your own AI agents using these powerful algorithms. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.